Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics now. A working email, a photo ID, and 1 or 2 demonstrable samples. Don't wait to perfect them. Create accounts on LinkedIn and one freelancing site. Upload your samples to Google Drive so links are ready. Once done, write a short 50-70 word bio that explains what you do and who you help. Make sure to set a clear hourly or fixed price. This lets clients decide fast and makes your profile appear professional immediately. You must focus on one niche and level up with quick practice. Complete 3 micro tasks or skill tests to appear credible. Once you pass, apply to jobs with customized proposals that mention the client's need and show 1 relevant sample. Don't send generic text. Continue doing 3 quality proposals per day and aim to collect 1 review quickly. Even small paid tasks build trust. Keep improving response speed and pricing. Based on feedback, finish jobs professionally. Communicate mid-task progress and deliver exactly what you promised, with clear instructions for revisions. Once the client is satisfied, ask for a review and a short referral. Positive reviews accelerate future hiring. If you face rejections or no response, don't panic, ask for constructive feedback, tweak your portfolio or bio, and retarget smaller gigs to rebuild momentum. 1 key troubleshooting tip. If applications get no replies, lower price slightly for 1-2 weeks and focus on 5 high-quality proposals per day to reset traction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.